फैंटास्टिक्स वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड एज यू गाइस माइट ऑलरेडी गेस्ड बाय सीइंग द थंबनेल ऑफ today's video is no glue, no Borax slimes with edible stuff. So today we are going to make no glue, no Borax edible slimes. So yeah, these are very easy slime recipes that everyone can make in their home and enjoy with their family. So fantastics, I have mentioned each and every ingredient that I have used in this video in the description box. So if you guys want to buy anything, then you guys can check out the links in the description. I have mentioned each and every link so that you guys will not have any problem. So now without talking too much, let's get started with today's video. So fantastics, today we are making slime with some really amazing stuff and some really amazing edible stuff like gummies and marshmallows. So I am soon going to upload the ASMR of marshmallows on my second channel. So if you guys haven't checked it out my second channel yet, then make sure you guys can go and subscribe from the first link in the description. I think I will post it super soon. So make sure you guys hit the bell icon to get notified. Whenever I upload that video, you guys will get a notification. So yeah guys, now without talking much, let's get started with today's video. Now this is the time for our part 2 and our next recipe. So yeah, let's see our next recipe. So we are going to make slime with marshmallows and with these beautiful marshmallows. Let me show you guys. Like they are so soft and they look so beautiful. I cannot. Like, can you guys see that? Oh my god. How good does they look? They literally look like cartoon characters. Like they doesn't even look real, and you guys can see they just look so soft and they are super stretchy. So just as we did with that last recipe, we are going to microwave these marshmallows, and now I'm going to show you guys after microwaving these how they actually look. Like they are so fluffy. As you guys can see, they're super stretchy as well. So fantastics, make sure to comment down below your dares. So we are doing some fantastic prize at next week. So for getting a shout out in that and to get mentioned in our channel, make sure you give your dare down in the comments. So I will be selecting and giving them hearts and also giving them shout out. So make sure you guys give your dare in the comments as well. So now let's see how they look after we have microwaved them. Let's see. So fantastics, as you guys can see, this is actually so hot, but I don't know if you guys can see that or not. These actually grow a lot in size, and just look at how soft they are. They are really soft, and at this point we are going to mix all of these together. So this time I am going to be really smart, and I'm going to dust the spoon with the cornstarch beforehand so it doesn't stick to the spoon too much. And I'm going to put a little bit over on the marshmallows as well. So yeah, let's start mixing. Oh my god, these are so hot, you guys. Oh my god, these are actually super hot. But can you guys look at the colors? Oh my god, pink, purple and white, literally the favorite colors of mine. Can you guys see that? They are now actually starting to get sticky a lot more. Now that we have started to mix them and release all the hot air inside them, they are actually getting a lot more sticky. I don't know if you guys can see that, but its color is like so pretty. It's like super pretty purple, almost similar to this purple heart emoji. Like, oh my god, this is so good. Let's add a little bit more corn flour. So this is how it looks. this, you guys need to make sure that you have a lot of cornstarch before making these recipes, because these take a lot of cornstarch. The purple in this one is like super vibrant, so I think you guys can see the purple, but you guys, it is just so nice. Oh my god. This is also like very similar texture, but a lot more like a fluffy slime rather than a butter slime or a thick slime. This feels more like a fluffy slime than a butter slime or a thick slime. This feels like super fluffy slime because it has a lot of air bubbles, of course. Oh my god, my hands are so messy and this is just so hot. You guys, I waited 15 minutes before kneading it, so please make sure you wait at least 30 minutes because this is so hot. Like, oh my god, even after 15 minutes this is like super hot, so make sure to wait. Now I am going to knead this and you guys just enjoy. Can you guys listen? Like, this is a fluffy slime. Oh my god. This is not as sticky as the previous slime, but it is like super nice and fluffy consistency. I think the sugar in this is keep on activating, that is why it is pretty sticky, but yeah. Can you guys see like how fluffy it is? Just ignore the mess in my hands. Just look at how, non-sticky and just how creamy and fluffy this slime is. Oh my god, like this is literally amazing. It's such a nice toy and you guys can actually eat it, and yeah, it doesn't have that much corn flour as well. Like that gummy one take like a lot of corn flour. This is like done with just a little bit of corn flour, so I think it's okay to eat a little bit of this one, and you guys can always share. Then make sure, if you guys are sharing, then make sure you have washed your hands before making the slime, because otherwise it is going to be nasty, so we don't want that. And this is just how it turned out. Look, can you guys see how pastel purple this is? Oh my god. So yeah, fantastics, that was all in today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching if you guys watched till here. And please subscribe and like this video for more these kinds of amazing no glue no borax recipes. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.